In this video, I'll show you how you can know who viewed your profile on LinkedIn. So this is really simple. You just need to go to your profile. So click on your profile icon and from here scroll to the section which says analytics. And from here you will see your profile analytics. So for example, you will see your post impressions or profile views. So if you click on this profile views, if someone viewed your profile, you will see them right here. So you can also choose these filters. So for example, if for past 90 days, nobody viewed my profile. So for example, let's say I will choose past 365 days, then click show results. And as you can see, I have one profile viewer and this is him. This is the guy who viewed my profile. So this is how you can see who viewed your profile on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.